the pressure on JB Mooney. He's got his brother Jesse there, along with Frank Newsom and Shorty Gorham, protecting him after he hit the dirt. He had his dad Ryan there, helping him on top of the chutes. And this crowd showing their appreciation for the Canadian. Mac, you said it. He had to ride, he did it.
Well, and he's fired up and should be. Ty, I love when you see a guy that it's never perfect. He's a little bit loose. He's to the inside, and he doesn't just clamp down. He holds, and then he throws his feet at him, whatever it takes to get back in the middle.